prefer anything else, let's say hi to the Lord. Hi!
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Did you say hi to the Lord already? If you did, great. If you didn't, you might want to do it.
Hello, it's TVFS time. It's Timeldific Vlogs special feature. Let's go watch it.
TVSF number 5. For Halloween decorations, this one might be perfect for you. By the end of October, expect some of the houses decorated with scary Halloween decorations. Some of it can be very expensive, or some of them are very cheap. I found a very simple decoration and interesting. In this video, I'll show you a real one. It's free, it's real, and the bonus part of it, you don't need to do anything. They make it for you. Let's check it out. I want to show you guys something, so come with me.
Oh yeah, they can see it. There you go. So nice.
It's cool. All the fog. Little water droplets. Come on.
Alright, so
TVSF number 4. We all know that fresh seafood such as squid is delicious, especially fresh from the water and right into the pot. You'll see in this video, those who catch squid cook together. Even those who do not know how to cook learn to cook immediately. This is because of squid. Is it safe to eat even without cleansing? For me, cooking is okay. Just don't forget to remove the jigs. Let's jig in. Turn the volume down a little bit. It's a little loud.
Jig pa! May jig pa! Ayan o! May jig o! May jig sa gilid! Ay, ba't mo nilagyan ng suka mamaya pagkatapos? Ay, bawang yung bawang. Lagyan mo na. O, ayan. Teka lang. Ayan na. Alis kukunan ko muna. O, fresh from the ano.
Tama ba itong ginagawa ko?
Mali.
Mali kayo na pitrasan, di ako nagluluto, no? Di ako nagluluto.
Hala, yun na, nagluto na. Dagdagan mo ng apoy. Nagluto na sila ng pusit. Ay, sarap.
Ay! Tastes good, look.
Oy, naku na. Pusit. Pang galing. Oo, ayan o, kada yung huhuli o.
Last one na.
Ayan. O, kita mo ah. Kayo! Isa! Nakasama po, nakasama yung apoy. Para nagjadyang pa yung pusit Sariwa, wala nang ano, no?
Masarap yung pen?
Amoy na!
on the wall, who's the cutest of them all? This next video is about a family get together to watch a football game. We've got all these cute and adorable babies. So, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the cutest of them all?
Ayan si ate.
I think she needs diaper change.
Hello.
Hi.
TV SF number 2.
Ang video ito ay tungkol sa isang ina na may sakit na dementia, malilimutin. Ito rin ang sakit ng ibang mga tao na malilimutin sa utang. Panoorin natin ang pag-uusap ng isang anak at ina. Heto na. Welcome po sa Energetic Touch Vlog. Andito po ako ngayon at aking pong i-interview ang aking mother na may dementia. Okay? Ito po, pag lagi ko nakikita si Mami, talaga ko na-practice ang kanyang memory. Okay? Memorya. So, let's get umpisahan na natin. Ha?
Hindi ko na alam.
Try nyo lang. Ha?
Hindi ko na alam.
Try nyo lang.
Matagal na.
Ha?
Matagal na.
Ikaw na? Ilan ang anak nyo? Anong pangalan? Eda? Saka sino? Anong pangalan niya? Ilan ang anak niyo? Ilan na ang anak niyo, Mami? 12, 14, 10. Sinong anak?
Ay, dalawa. Maganda. Ayan.
Kaya nga, kayong anak na accountant, Mami.
Ayan nga sila.
Kaya nga, meron ba kayo anak? Ang gabi ba si Adi anak niyo? Meron ba kayong anak na doktor? Anong pangalan ng doktor? Nakaw? Ha? Hindi niyo alam? Meron ba kayong anak na magnanakaw? Charay. Meron ba kayong apo na magaganda? Ha? Mukhang walang ganito talaga ang dementia, pero ngayon naman titingnan natin ang reflexes niyo. Kung healthy ba siya, okay? Tingnan natin kung si Chapis Kali. Ito siya, ano siya? Ano niya siya? Anak ko ako. Grabe naman yung edit mo! Grabe naman yung mukha mo kayo edit ah.
Sinong nanay mo?
Yan, ang ganda mo, artista. Ano nga yan? Boda. Oh, Mami! Natin yung kanyang memory ngayon na kanyang musical. Papractice natin si Mami, okay?
Number 4. TV SF.
Little tiny kick the icicles or what? Are you still gonna kick the ice too?
What?
Are you still gonna kick the ice too?
Ice?
Hello! Welcome to Timeldific Vlog and it's Funtime. So lahat po na ipapakita namin sa inyong mga video at mga picture. Ito po ay pangkatuwaan lamang po. Kung meron po kaming naipakita ng video na sensitive sa inyo, pagpaumanhin niyo po. Tara, panoorin natin. Panoorin natin.
Only to have COVID-19 forced them to shut down to 3 weeks after opening. Almost Ryan Harris spoke to talk about a disaster and the way to help.
What are you doing?
Let's keep the Riddler on his toes.
Daddy, what's a riddle?
So we are using
In
ways.
0.1 miles, turn right, and then turn right.
Your eyes in the morning sun, I feel you touch me in the pouring rain, in the moment that you wander far from me.
And today, we're going to give you some fun. So let's just go watch it. Hello, welcome back.
Hello?
If you're looking for a Halloween director, we all know that fresh seafood is delicious, especially if you're getting it. Oh, hold on. In this video, we've got many different clips, some of which may be disturbing, so viewer discretion advised. I don't even remember what else I was supposed to say now.
Kiss me. Why I'm born like this? Ooh, I wish I have a fairy godmother. Hello, I'm your fairy godmother. Hello, your wish is my command. Abracadabra. Are you sure, fairy godmother? I said yes. Your wish is my command, so don't disturb me. I'm doing it now. Okay, grandma. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, and I wanna be beautiful every second, okay? Different faces. What's happening to my face? Is it changing now? What's happening?
3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you for coming and spending some time with us watching our video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, share, and if you want to see some more, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you don't miss any of our videos. Click that little bell notification icon so that you're notified every time we post a video. Thank you. Have a good day.